Good morning, hope you're right. In today's video I'm gonna talk about this stunning looking planter here in my front porch. This planter has got these petunia plants in the middle, and there are three petunia plants here and these lovely lobelia plants. These are 10-11 lobelia plants all around these petunia plants, and as you can see, these petunia plants are of two shades of pink, a lighter shade and a darker shade, and these lobelia plants are of light pink and deep purple, which kind of look blue. So these plants are creating an ombre effect here, and this planter really looks lovely, sparkly and bright here in morning sun, as you can see, and this is going really well. These two plants have like excellent going together ability. So I also planted petunia plants in hanging basket, which didn't really look so good in the hanging basket. They are looking really lovely here in this planter, and I started these plants from seeds back in April, and these seeds are really tiny, and I had good success germinating them, and then I planted them here in 5-gallon pot, and I regretted not to use a higher pot. I think if I had used 10-gallon pot it would have been even better, because as you can see the lobelia plants are trailing out of the pot and creating a really beautiful show. And I think if it had been a bigger pot it would have been even better, because they have had more room to grow. So I also regretted not to plant them in hanging baskets. They are really lovely plants to go in hanging baskets. They kind of act as pillars. So next year I have plans to plant these lobelia plants in hanging baskets as well as in high containers, and I really love this combination of plants. Really beautiful display of colors. So these are really low maintenance as well. As you can see, they mostly get morning sun here. I do water them like not every day, sometimes like a day after. They don't really need much water, and I do fertilize them, but only like once a month or sometimes 2 times a month, and they have been really well. No deadheading, no pruning, and they have done an amazing job here in this container. And these lobelia plants are also quite hardy in our zone, so which means they can survive winter freezing temperatures longer enough, so they can go in fall as well as in early winter. However, this is an annual variety, which means it won't come back next year. There are some perennial varieties available which comes back year after year. However, these petunia plants are not quite hardy. Actually, the ones that I have got in hanging basket has already died, but these are looking very beautiful here. So I think this is really beautiful planter, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and